telling you what is JVM, GRE and JDK. Today we will also be doing our very first simple non-interactive Java program. So let's get started. Functions of Java Virtual Machine, which is also known as JVM. JVM allows Java programs to run on any device or operating system. If you guys did not know, the tagline of Java is write once, run anywhere. That is exactly what JVM helps in doing. JVM also manages and develops the program memory. The other tasks performed by JVM is loading code, verifying code, and obviously executing code. Now comes GRE, which is the acronym for Java Runtime Environment. The function of Java Runtime Environment is very obvious. It provides Java Runtime Environment and is an implementation of JVM. Now, before we move on to the next slide, you guys might be wondering what does runtime environment mean? It's kind of complicating to understand, so for now take it as the executing part of a code. Now comes the final one, which is JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. This is the easiest one. JDK contains GRE and development tools. As you can see in the picture down below, JVM is the first and initial one. Then comes GRE, which contains JVM and other files JVM uses at runtime. And the final one is JDK, which contains GRE and development tools. Now we move on to the programming stages. If you guys did not see my previous video, the first thing you gotta do is create yourself a new project. Now save it. Let's move on to the next step. You have to create a new class now. You can name the class as whatever you like, but then the only condition is that it should start with a capital letter. In my scenario, I'm going to name it code with a capital C. Now go ahead and double click your class. As soon as you're done with that, you will see a lot of unnecessary statements in your program. Go ahead and just delete them all. Now finally, let's start with the programming. In Java, when you're coding, the first thing you do is start with the class name. Note that the class name that you're giving in your program should be the same as the class name you created before. Now hit enter and open a curly bracket. As soon as you're done with that, go ahead and type this statement. Public static void main open brackets string with a capital S space args, which means arguments, open box bracket and close your box bracket and end your brackets. Now hit enter and open another curly bracket. Now you guys might be wondering, what does this statement mean? I'm not going to tell you what it means in this video. Maybe I'll tell it in a future video. But for now, remember that I will include the statement in almost every future Java program I do. So please do not forget it. Now since all the explaining is done, let's move on to the next statement. Type the following: system.out.println open brackets and open quotes. Type whatever you want to be displayed on your screen over here. So I'm just going to type in hello everyone. Now once you're done, close the quotes and close the brackets, and also type a semicolon, because the semicolon indicates that you have successfully completed a statement. Hit enter and close your second curly bracket and hit enter again and close your first curly bracket. So as you all might have guessed, the system.out.println statement is used to print something on your screen. Now hit compile and it should come class compile no syntax errors. Now if there's an error, cross check between my program and yours and see if there's a mistake. Now let's minimize this tab and right click our class and go to void main string args and hit OK. Now your program has successfully been executed. That's it. See, Java is so simple. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned what is JVM, JRE and JDK. Today we also learned how to write our very first simple non-interactive program in Java. Now if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also do not forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Now hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.